Hello, my name is Malika Venkatramani. I graduated with a Bachelor's of Science honors degree in genetics from UCD in 2021. I'm currently working in Singapore at the National Cancer Center Singapore as a Genetic Counselling Assistant. Our genetics degree at UCD was a very specialized degree. Typically, you would have students doing a degree in life sciences or biological sciences at the undergraduate level. But at UCD, we had the privilege of doing a very specialized degree in a specific field of biology, which in my case is genetics. So as part of my four-year degree, I had a lot of opportunity to learn hands-on. So we had a lot of labs, and all our lecturers are researchers as well in their other time outside of teaching hours. So we were very much immersed in the kind of research they did. So we could see the kind of applications genetics had in the real world. So in terms of the kinds of research it was applied in, so for example, cancer research or even research on different animals, which all are important to understand human health. And I would say also that the thesis that we had in our final year was a very good consolidation of all that I had learned in the 4 years. And to give an example of how relevant my degree was, very recently in my workplace, there was a little training session that we were having. And a couple of my colleagues who are also new employees who had trained in other countries didn't know a very basic genetics question. And when I heard that they were a little confused about what the question was about, all I could think was that as a UCD student, I was prepared for this kind of thing right in my second year. So I was already aware of these things. In fact, I knew it pretty well. So that's just an example of how well UCD prepared me for a career beyond the university curriculum.